I'm PectusPT, the world's only Pectus Excavatum specialized trainer. And in today's video, I'm showcasing the top 4 Pectus Excavatum transformations with exercise only, no surgery from my clients in 2024. And I'm revealing the winner for the best transformation as per your votes from my top 13 video. So in 4th place, we have Cam.
I was with Riley Byrne for 1 year and I had amazing results. His program was great. I found before his program I was really self-conscious about my chest. I didn't really know where to go in the gym. I was training irregularly without a program, and signing up with Riley Byrne essentially completely changed how I look, how I feel about myself, and like how I train in the gym. It was great. I loved the program. I've become so much more confident in myself, and I'm really, really thankful for what Riley Byrne has been able to do for me. And I can't recommend this program enough because, like I said, it's completely changed how I see myself and how I look.
Cam's transformation is truly incredible. Coaching him and mentoring him through this process, I know how much it has changed his life and how much he has transformed himself. Not only in terms of his physical being and making his pectus less noticeable and becoming more muscular, but in terms of the confidence he's gained through this process. And I'm truly so proud of Cam. He actually sent me an email the other day, which I'll insert here, which was lovely. It's really heartwarming to see these kind of results. How Cam achieved such an incredible result was, firstly, I assigned him a really thorough program which he was super dedicated to, and the program involved him working out at the gym 5 days a week. His starting point being quite skinny, I knew we could do a lot to make his pectus look a lot better, and also he has a severe case of pectus, so I knew, in order to make it look a lot less noticeable, we had to build a lot of muscle, and we really had to get an incredible physique, because the better your physique, the more you can make your pectus less noticeable. And for having a severe case, we really had to sculpt those pecs. And so Cam dedicated himself to the process. I guided him through it, and the result speaks for itself. Physically, Cam actually gained 14 kilograms of lean muscle. So he started the program at 61 kilos, and now he's 75 kilos. So that's incredible. Well done, Cam. And in 3rd place, we have Emerson.
Hey, this is Emerson. I started this program last August. Before I started the program, I was always getting comments on like, oh, why do you have that hole in your chest, all that. And I remember being super insecure. I wouldn't even take my shirt off to go to the pool. I would just, sit down and lay face down. It was always like I would wear baggy shirts, stuff like that. I Googled surgery options and went to doctors, and they said, it's probably not severe enough for surgery. It's not like it's impairing your heart or anything. And then I found Riley, and I started the program, and within probably 3 months, I started noticing results. I started getting comments on like, oh, you have like a good physique, instead of comments like, oh, you have a big hole in your chest. Why is that? And it was such a huge confidence builder for me. It's really changed my life in a positive way. Thanks, Riley. Highly, highly recommend. He's always responding on the app.
Now, Emerson started this journey at only 13 years old. He completely transformed his body. And the coolest thing is he did this just working out 3 days a week at home with a basic setup of equipment. So I do program for clients at home. The next result I'm about to show you is also from 3 days a week at home. So you definitely can get a good result just with that. 2nd place, we have Chris.
I signed up with PectusPT in 2023 because I was tired of not feeling confident in my body. I was tired of going away on holiday with my friends and being paranoid about taking my top off. So I've actually completed my year with Riley now, and all I can say for anyone who is interested in joining this program is if you put the work in, you will not be disappointed. The workouts, the nutrition advice, the constant access to Riley, they really help give you a proper plan in order to build strength and master your Pectus Excavatum in ways that I did not think was possible. I've tried working out before and had very, very limited results, but that's because I didn't know what I was doing. And even at the age of 41 years old now, I managed to get results that I'm so proud of, and I can feel my confidence growing daily. So thank you so much, Riley, for an amazing program. And I wish anyone else joining it the very, very best of luck. If you stick to it, I promise it does work.
Cam and Emerson were both young, 13 for Emerson and 15 for Cam. Chris is 41. Okay, so he's proven to all you people who are 30, 40, who are saying, oh, it's too late to transform my pectus. He's proof that it's not, and that at any age you can achieve an amazing result. And again, he's proof that you can do it just working out 3 days a week at home. He just did it in a room in his house, 3 days per week. Okay, that was the program I assigned for him. Okay, but when you do a proper program that has strategic progressive overload and progressive programs in terms of volume, intensity, complexity, and it's targeting the pectus, and you have a nutrition program, you get a great result if you follow it. And that's exactly why Chris got such a good result. If I look at his calendar, everything is ticked throughout the entire year. It's truly remarkable how compliant he was to the program. He's one of my most compliant clients I've ever coached. And it's such a blessing for me to coach someone like Chris, who has that discipline and dedication, because I know he'll get a crazy result. And it's just rewarding for me to see, okay, if someone actually does 100% of what I tell them to do, this is what they can get. And physically, if you look at muscle to muscle, I would say his transformation is probably the best I've ever had in 1 year. Like, he just completely transformed. In the Pectus Warriors group chat, Chris posted his transformation, and one of the clients goes, you've turned into a Giga Chad. So just like, and then I Googled what that meant, and it just means like, just an absolute weapon, and that's exactly what has happened. He's turned into someone who's insecure and skinny and not liking their body, insecure about their pectus, and to someone with way more confidence who looks amazing. It was funny, when I posted the video for you guys to vote, my mum did a thorough analysis. And anyway, she was a big fan of Chris. This is what she had to say. So, and I'm a big fan of Chris too. I think he's a total legend. A great example for people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, who want to transform their pectus, to show that you can. And a great example for those who want to do it at home with a busy schedule as well. And now the winner of the 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge is Gabriel.
I signed up for Riley's program in January of 2023. And at first I was just terrified at the gym. Like, I just felt super intimidated when I walked in. I persistent and I kept going. And I weighed like 120 when I started, like 120 pounds. Now we come to the present now, December. And I've completely transformed my body from, when I first started 2 years ago. Like, I'm weighing 146. I've gone up on how much weight I got way stronger on all the exercises. If you're considering joining Riley's program, I highly recommend it. I really like the flow of it. It's helped me a lot. And yeah, I've completely transformed.
Well done, Gabriel. Your transformation is truly, truly incredible, and you should be so proud of yourself. It's so cool to see how much of a life-changing transformation this has been for you. And I'm glad you got the most votes, because you deserve it. To gain 26 pounds of muscle is incredible. Well done, Gabriel. I'm so proud of all my clients' transformations and their dedication to improving their health and transforming their pectus. I think these transformations are a testament to what's possible if you dedicate yourself to a proper program that's tailored to you and fitted to your circumstances, so it's going to work and be sustainable, and that's targeting Pectus Excavatum specifically. I don't ever neglect other muscles for my clients. Like, they still train legs, but we focus the training to pectus. We focus the training to muscle groups that will influence their pectus the most. And the results speak for themselves. I have to give an honorable mention to all my other clients who got a great result. Francesco from Italy, like, his result was incredible. Steven's result, he's only been 6 months on the program. His result's been incredible. So I look forward to seeing his at the end of the year, as well as all the other clients, Harry, Sam, Maurice, the list goes on. Proud of you all, you're amazing. And for those of you who are interested in transforming your pectus, then go to my website, fixpectus.com, and apply. The influx of clients I've had so far in 2025 has been insane. Honestly, like, by far the busiest I've ever been. I had one day where I had 8 new client calls. It was so exciting though. I love helping people with pectus. I have different coaching options to facilitate, different budgets. So regardless, you can get a plan from me for just $200 to get started, okay? Custom plan, fitted to you and your pectus. So if you're interested, you go to my website and book that call. Pectus differs, and so does everyone. And so it's important, how I get my clients these such good results is the program was tailored to them. So I have to meet you to determine the right plan for you. So book that call, and I look forward to meeting you soon.